If you get stuck at checkout or feel awkward asking questions in stores, shadow these lines with me. This is spoken English. Smooth, connected, and natural, not word by word. Here's how it works. I say each line, first time normal, second time slow. Then you echo twice. After the video, repeat each line 10 times. First at 0.75 speed and second at regular speed. Focus on copying the sounds, not reading the words. Excuse me, where can I find the bread? Excuse me, where can I find the bread? I'm just looking. I'm just looking. Do you have this in a bigger size? Do you have this in a bigger size? How much is this? How much is this? I'll take two of these. I'll take two of these. Do you take credit cards? Do you take credit cards? Can I tap to pay? Can I tap to pay? That's it. Thanks. That's it. Thanks. Can I get a receipt? Can I get a receipt? Remember, small words are reduced, content words have pitch. Save this and repeat each line 10 times after the video.